Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set certain contacts to ring even on silent mode on Android. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing you're going to do is open up the phone app on your Android or Samsung phone, and let's navigate to your contacts at the very bottom right. Now, we can set a specific contact to be able to ring. This is usually helpful for a family member or an emergency contact. Even if silent mode is turned on, all we need to do is set, say, this phone number to ring. So I'm going to tap on it and then tap on the little I right next to it. So you can see this is Trevor iPhone, my other iPhone. And we're going to just tap on the More button at the very bottom right to get to More settings. And you'll be able to see a bunch of options. At the very bottom, we're going to choose to change that ringtone or the vibration. So tap on that. And then in this case, we'll just choose the ringtone, that first option. Now here is the default ringtone. Of course, you can have a custom ringtone for this one contact, but you'll be able to see at the very top, it says ring even when set to vibrate or mute. So all I need to do is toggle this on. And now even if I have do not disturb or my iPhone is set to mute or not to ring or the volume all the way down, I will still be able to hear that phone call from that one contact. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.